Your dream home won't be complete without the right garage door. That's why you should choose Hannah's Garage Doors for garage door installation services in Austin, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and surrounding areas. Our experienced crew can help you decide on the right garage door for your home and install it right away. When it comes to garage doors, our technicians can do it all. We have 20 years of experience, and we are locally owned and operated. We fix everything from broken torsion springs to faulty openers. If you need a new garage door installed, our team has got you covered there too. We provide 24/7 emergency garage door services. We offer lifetime warranties and free estimates. We install, replace, and repair all types of garage doors, and we take extra COVID-19 sanitizing precautions. The type of garage doors we install include sectional, overhead, scissor gate, fire-rated, roll-up, tilt-up. Our team installs top-of-the-line garage doors, manufactured by LiftMaster, CHI, and AMAR. We can fix your faulty garage door right away. We work on broken springs and cables, dented cracked door panels, misaligned rollers and photo eyes, faulty remotes, openers, and bent tracks. We can fix your faulty garage door right away. We are a proud accredited A+ member of the Better Business Bureau. We'll take every precaution to ensure your garage door remains a sanitary space during these trying times. Call 512-721-9250 to schedule a reliable garage door installation or repair services. Or visit us at www.hannasgaragedoors.com.